I just have so much because I got cleaning solution all over my pants. It's some sort of attachment issue that I have. What's up guys, it's Bailey. Today I woke up a little bit late. I woke up around like 11:30 this morning and I laid in bed until like 12 and I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing with my day? What am I doing with my life? What is this cycle that I'm in? It's the new year, it's 2022 somehow, and I'm just laying in bed. So I just decided I'm going to make the rest of my day as productive as possible. It's currently Sunday, January 2nd. It's my last day of winter break. It's Sunday. I go back to school tomorrow and I haven't done anything. I haven't even figured out my New Year's resolution. I don't know. I'm already starting this year off bad and I'm not gonna let that happen. So I'm just going to declutter my entire life today. Hopefully by the end of this video and by the end of this day, I have a clear and clean mindset and environment to just figure out what I want out of this next year. I'm just gonna be breaking up my life, specifically my room and my bathroom, into smaller parts, and we are going to just declutter it, get rid of stuff that I no longer use and that is no longer of use to me, and hopefully I'll just feel a little better. We're gonna be starting with my vanity because I have been wanting to do this for a very long time and I've just been putting it off because I know that it's gonna be difficult. I have so much stuff in these drawers. If you guys' room is a mess, if there's clothes everywhere, if you have a load of laundry to do, if there's cups all over your nightstand, if there's food laying on your fucking floor, take this time with me and let's just tidy up a little bit. Here's the first drawer. These drawers aren't terrible, but like they just have to like change a little bit. I think I'm just gonna take everything out of here and just put it on the floor, sort through it all, and then put it back in here all organized. I have all of the items sorted and this bin is absolutely overflowing. I got rid of a decent amount of old product and products that I don't use. Obviously, if there's anything in these drawers that haven't been used, are still in the packaging and aren't expired, I'm not gonna throw them away. I'm going to give them away. Okay, you guys, this is what we're left with. It definitely looks better, but it's still not organized. I don't really know. Like, it doesn't look better, but like, what are you gonna do, you know? Okay, this drawer right here is PR that has literally never been touched before. I have finished. Kinda. Basically, I tried my best. The top of this kind of looks like a mess, but I just don't know like where to put stuff. So here is my first drawer. It is skincare and primers. So I just put all of my serums here, and then I just have some skincare stuff that I don't use as frequently, and then I have primers, and then these are all just like mini little travel size, sample size things. This is, okay, don't pay attention to that. Foundations, concealers, and then setting powders. It doesn't look that organized, and the drawer is so empty now. I don't really know. And then I have, oh my god. So none of these drawers, what is this? None of these drawers actually look good. This is mascaras and eyeliners. This is brow products. This is tools. So I have like tweezers and eyelash curlers, and then I have lashes over here. Then I have this drawer, which is a really weird combination. I have like all of my vitamins and like medicine. And then I have lip balms and chapsticks right here and here. And lip glosses, lip liners, lipsticks. This drawer I was able to organize and sort a lot of it out, which is good, but it still looks like a mess. And then on the other side, this is my everyday drawer. Doesn't look that organized. Again, none of this looks that organized, but it feels a lot better. This looks a lot better than it did. I just had everything thrown in here. This is like bronzers, blushes, and highlights. And then I have 2 face palettes and then setting sprays because I didn't know where else to put those. In here, we have eyeshadow palettes. This was already pretty organized because I don't go in here that often. Then we have more PR stuff. This I was able to sort, and I really like how it looks compared to how it used to look. This is all like face products and face masks. Bottom drawer looks like a mess. This is all skincare PR. So there's a lot of it, but I want it all because I love skincare, and I do go in here quite frequently to try new products. So there's a lot. I came to the conclusion that it is all very organized and everything has its own spot now, and I know where everything is, but it doesn't look that organized. I'm really just repping like a whole Christmas fit. I got hot, so I had to take my sweatshirt off, and I didn't know that I was wearing this. Merry Christmas, I guess. I'm going to move on to my bathroom. I actually just got rid of like all of my extra like bathroom products. A couple weeks ago, I completely decluttered my bathroom, but there is some drawers that I didn't get to. Oh. So there's not like a whole lot to do, but we definitely have some decluttering and organizing to do in here. I really want to organize this drawer and just make it look pretty because it pisses me off every time I open it. So let's get into it. I actually just did an outfit change because I got cleaning solution all over my pants, and I didn't think it was good for my legs to marinate in that. I feel like $1 million. Actually, no, I don't. I feel like $3.50. 3.50 cents. My issue right now is I'm making progress. You know, I'm getting rid of things that I don't use. I'm making progress, but it's not feeling like I'm making progress. I just have so much shit. I have so much shit. I don't know how to like minimize it besides, well, get rid of it. Obviously. Okay, so this is what this drawer looks like. This was so messy before and it's so cleared out now. I'm so excited. I just got like my dental hygiene type of things. I've got like retainer cases, Q-tips. I don't really know why those are, and then I did this drawer, which looks phenomenal. I've been having a mini panic attack all day just thinking about the fact that I literally have to go to school tomorrow and then go like continually like for like a really long time. Let's get into these cabinets, which is what I've been dreading. It's currently 3:40. I don't know if I mentioned what time I started this. I think I started around 2 o'clock. So it's been almost 2 hours, but let's just continue. We're gonna finish the bathroom and then I'm gonna go eat tacos because I really want tacos. This top cabinet consists of I don't like that I can see myself in the mirror right there. This top cabinet consists of a lot. Hair stuff and like body lotions, which makes no sense. That didn't sound good. I don't know what it was, but it didn't sound good. You can see 3 of me now over there. Okay. Tell me why this was in there. What? My issue is I need stuff. Like, what if I wake up in the middle of the night and I have to use cough medicine? I'm not gonna walk my little ass downstairs. I'm gonna go into my cabinet. That's 10 steps from my bed, you know? So I'm just gonna push it back. If you want me to be honest, I want to be done. You know, it feels good enough for me. This looks like a whole mess, but I promise you, it's like organized in a way that makes sense to me. I ain't never been with a body, so I add it to the 10. There's something going on. I don't know what that is. Oops. I literally don't know what that is. I know I said I was gonna go eat tacos after I finished my bathroom, but I kind of just want to take down all my Christmas decorations really quickly. There's not that many, so it shouldn't take long, but I just want to get it over with because I know that I'm not gonna do it anytime soon after this. I just went downstairs to eat my tacos. They were phenomenal, by the way. I made them last night. I don't know why I don't make tacos more. They're so easy and they're literally so good. I came back up here, obviously, to continue cleaning my room, and I forgot that I opened my window because I was sweating balls when I was like running around like taking all my Christmas decorations down. I just like cracked my window open, which, sorry, Dad, I know that's not good for the heat bill, but I was hot, okay? And then I forgot to close it, and now I'm freezing. I don't really know what else to do, to be honest. Like, my room is like pretty much clean. I just went through my closet and got rid of a bunch of old clothes, so I can't really do that. See, it's really not that messy. Like, it's pretty clean right now. at this time. I just recently reorganized my little shoe rack. I have a pair missing. They're downstairs. My bathroom looks so clean. Like the counters and the mirror are like spotless, and that makes me happy. It feels good that I took all my Christmas decoration down. The sun went down now, so it's kind of like ugly in here, but it just looks a lot better. I took all the red clothing off of my clothing rack, and it's back to my neutrals, which I love. My bed is not made, and over here really isn't clean. My bathroom, pretty organized. I don't know, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it motivating or at least maybe satisfying to see me clean up my room. Comment down below if you guys were cleaning your room with me or if you got some motivation to maybe do that soon. I love y'all so much. You guys can follow my Instagram at Dedrick if you want. Bye bye.